You see this face? Good afternoon, guys. For me, it is 11 o'clock p.m. And I received 2 packages today. I opened them, and I already can do a review on these things. So one of them I didn't open all the way because I wanted to show you guys. So everybody's been doing this Wish stuff, and so I'm just going to do 2 products today. So it's going to be really short. The first thing that I got was this right here. It goes in your car, hooks up, put your phone, your glasses, or whatever you want, change. And it's nice quality. It's really nice. See? Nice. Free. All you had to do was pay shipping. So I give that one a 5. I mean, it's not a wow, but I love it. So it's good from Wish, and it's free. Plus shipping and handling, so it's not really free. But the second thing I got, excuse me, came in this great, hold on, I don't want to be copyrighted, or have people say that I'm copywriting, whatever it means. There. Second thing that I got was this. In the picture, it looks 3 times bigger. I mean, it comes with lavender, rose, jasmine, lemon, violet, sandalwood, orange, something else, green tea, snow lotus, and ocean, and strawberry. And I did not open this because I wanted to open it in front of you guys. Like, literally, like, they're like hamster size. You cannot see that. Look at, like, okay, let's see, what can we smell that, like, everybody would like? Lavender. Look at this. I mean, it even looks bigger than what it is in real life. It's strong. It smells good. So this one, okay, so I gave this a 5. I give this a 7, okay? This I give a 5. The only reason why I give it a 5 is because, like, the size. But the smell is so good. I just can't believe that they're so freaking small. It kind of is, it's just disappointing, even though it was free. I mean, plus shipping and handling. But they smell so good, and if only it was like double the size, then even with just like these few, I would be so happy, because that'd be perfect. So anyways, I got these because my son is having bloody noses, and we got him a diffuser, and we got him aromatherapies because he's been anxious a lot. So trying to do the things that we can just so that we could I don't know what's happening over there, just so that we can, you know, do some stuff and help him out with the bloody noses and the headaches and some stuff like that. But that's why I got that. Now everything at Wish is made in China, so you have a long time to get your packages. It's kind of like waiting for a FitFatFun, but FitFatFun's really worth it. Oh, and FYI, just because I stole my sister's cup because mine broke, I'm still kind of mad about it. I like even tagged Aisha Curry and was like, hey, guess what? I was washing your cup and it just broke in my hand. Hello? Can I get a response, please? Anyways. So, that's that. Hope you guys have a good night. I'm gonna be up all night. And I'm tired. You guys like my makeup? BH Cosmetics. So, if you guys like my video, comment, subscribe, show everyone that you love me. Alright guys, I'm just kidding. See you guys later and have a good night. Bye.